calf stretch is a wonderful pose for the lower leg and even gets into the Achilles tendon. This is a simple setup with one big thin bolster and 2 blocks. We'll start by positioning the blocks in front of the bolster, and if you don't have a bolster, a folded up blanket will also do. So come into a forward bend, having your blocks underneath of your hands, and then very slowly step one foot on top of the bolster, keeping the heel on the ground, and then the other foot about hip width apart on the bolster. When we stretch our calves with straight legs, it's a different stretch than when we stretch them with bent knees. So let's start with the straight legs and using blocks underneath of your hands to bring the floor up to you. And when you're ready to evolve into a different calf stretch, bend your knees and then adjust the height of the block accordingly. Ensure in both poses that your neck is nice and released, feeling this stretch perhaps all the way along the back body. A wonderful breath for this pose is visualizing it inhaling up the back of the legs and then exhaling down the spine, releasing the head towards the floor. And when you're ready to come out, bring those blocks up a little higher and slowly remove your feet off of the bolster, lowering your knees down to the bolster and then coming off of it to rest. Well done.